following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 3:30 a.m. At 1:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. The storm has a history of producing hail to quarter size over Lake County. Other strong thunderstorms were also developing in far northeast Illinois and over the water. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source: public. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.